Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Sound of the Day. Let's start by taking a deep breath together. Breathe in, breathe out. Beautiful. You're calm, focused, and ready to learn. Today, we'll discover the sound of a very special letter C. Can you say that with me? C. Wonderful. C can make a strong sound, K, like when you tap your tongue at the back of your mouth. K, K, K. Let's say it softly together. K. Good job. Now, let's look at some words that start with C, the hard K sound. Cat, cup, car. Each time you hear C, listen for K. Let's say them together slowly. K, cat, K, cup, K, car. Very good. Now, C has another sound. It's a soft sound, S, just like the wind. Can you whisper it? S. Very good. Let's listen to some soft C words. Circle, cereal, city. Say them gently with me. Circle, cereal, city. You're learning both voices of the letter C. Let's play a short sound game. I'll say a word and you tell me if it's hard C, K, or soft C, S sound. Ready? K, cat. Is that K or S? That's right. K. Cereal or S? Yes. S. K. Cup or S? Perfect. City or S? You got it. S. You're becoming a sound master. Now, let's listen to a short, calm story using the C sound. Once upon a time, there was a curious cat named Coco. Coco loved to chase colors: red, yellow, blue. One day, Coco found a shiny cup on the carpet. She looked inside the cup and saw a circle of light dancing. Coco followed the circle all around the cozy room. It made her giggle. Then Coco found her friend, the calm cow. They sat together and watched the sun. Coco purred softly, "S- s- s," feeling safe and happy. And from that day, Coco learned that C can sound both strong and soft, just like her heart, brave and kind. Let's remember what we learned today. The letter C makes two sounds, like cat, cup, car. S, like circle, cereal, city. You did an amazing job learning, listening, and repeating today. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale and exhale. Your words are growing stronger each day. I am so proud of you. See you next time for another sound of